There are three ways to withdraw money from your Binance account: through cryptocurrency, through fiat currency, and through peer-to-peer marketplace. You may need to withdraw crypto from Binance if you want to move your coins to another exchange, your mobile or hard wallet, or your friend's wallet. To do this, you need to find the Withdraw Crypto page. You can get there via withdraw link opposite the coin. You can use a search field, or you can click the main withdraw button. Sometimes withdraw fiat page may appear first, and you can easily switch between crypto and fiat pages with this button. On the withdrawal page, choose a coin. You can use a search field as well and enter the wallet address. But where to find it? Before I show you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and leave any comment. And if you don't have a Binance account, follow the link in the description or by this QR code. Thank you for support. Let's inspect MEXC Global as an example. Your exchange should have a deposit button. Find your coin in the section on the same network as Binance. It's very important that the networks match. Otherwise, you risk losing all your coins. Don't forget to check arrival time and network fees. If you have just registered, you could be prompted to generate a new address on the network. Copy it to the address field on withdrawal page on Binance. After that, it remains to specify the amount of the transfer, choose the wallet from which you want to send your BTC, check the network fee, and click Withdraw. Once again, carefully check everything and confirm the transaction. You may be wondering where to find the full list of withdrawal fees to find the cheapest way to transfer your assets. On Deposit and Withdrawal Fees page, you will find full information about networks and withdrawal fees. Sometimes you may need to exchange one crypto to another. The easiest way to do this through the Binance Convert feature. Let's quickly inspect this form. We can trade quickly by market price, which I will show you right now, or create a limit order and wait for some price. We can choose a wallet. This is crypto we want to convert in this crypto. We can quickly change the direction with this button, enter the amount of crypto you want to exchange and click Preview Conversion. Here we see what do we exchange for what, at what rate, what commission, and how much crypto you will receive. The guaranteed price lasts for 8 seconds, after which you need to refresh the page. If you are okay with the price, just click the Convert button and you are done. How to withdraw crypto in the Binance app. In light mode, in order to get to the Withdraw Crypto page, you should find your crypto coin in Withdrawal Wallet and use a quick search if necessary. The difference with Pro mode of the app is that you have a choice of wallet from which you want to withdraw your crypto, an ability to send crypto through Binance Pay to another Binance user. Click Send via Crypto Network to continue. In both modes, you will get to the identical Withdraw Crypto page, where you should copy the wallet address, and I will do it from Kraken Exchange for this example. And always remember, that it is very important to choose the same network as not to lose your crypto. Look over the network fees and arrival time, enter the amount of crypto, click the Withdraw button, check everything again, and confirm transaction. Before withdraw fiat currency to your Visa card, to bank account or third-party services, you have to finish KYC verification process. If you haven't done this yet, just follow the instruction on Identification page by clicking yellow Start Now button. For example, you want to withdraw a part of your fixed fiat profits to your credit card. First, you need to find the Withdraw Fiat page. You can get there in the same ways as crypto, using the search field, through the link opposite your fiat currency, or through the main withdraw button. And if you get the wrong place right away, it's very easy to switch between crypto and fiat pages with this button. You can withdraw your British pounds and euros directly to your Visa card at Binance. To do this, you need to add a card with the same name as your Binance account. You see, I already have one added, and to add another one, you just enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and your address. You can add up to 5 cards in total. In the end, you should enter an amount, click Continue, and confirm your transaction. At the time of recording this video, this feature is only available for Visa cards and in the following countries. If you have Visa Direct feature in your bank in these countries, you can use instant withdrawals for 1% fee. For your local currency, there is available Sell to Card feature withdrawal. It converts your crypto to local fiat currency and sends it to your Visa card without convert fees. After entering the amount of crypto, you will see how many fiat currency you will get on your card. Then click Continue and confirm the transfer. But in case of unsuccessful transaction, you will get back your funds in BUSD on your spot wallet. In Fiat tab of Deposit and Withdrawal Fees page, you can find all the countries that supports Sell to Card feature. In some countries, you can order a physical Euro Binance card. It will allow you to spend or withdraw your fiat euros directly from your spot or foreign wallet. Binance Pay can be another cool withdrawal option. You can send money directly to your friend's Binance account with any of 4 identifiers: email, phone number, Pay ID. It can be found on main page or in Receive section. And Binance ID. It's under your nickname in dashboard. Let's talk about withdrawal to bank account. SEPA works for Euro withdrawal, but this method is available only for European Economic Area. Here is a list of countries. Remember that you can only use personal accounts with your name. Before starting, for verification purposes, you need to make a deposit in euros from your bank account. You have to send at least 2 euros for a commission of 1 euro. Click Verify Now to get your verification deposit details. After verification, you can withdraw money to this account. Then you enter amount, check the information, and confirm the transaction. SEPA withdrawal costs 1 euro per transaction on Binance. In my experience, SEPA transfer can take anywhere from few hours to 3 days depending on the bank and country. Unfortunately, SEPA instant payments are not available for withdrawal. Also remember, you cannot use joint accounts or SWIFT transfers, and SEPA doesn't work on weekends. In comparison, in SWIFT transfer withdraw of your dollars, you can use your IBAN account in EU, UK or Middle East. If you have never worked with SWIFT before, it's better to consult with your bank. To make a SWIFT transfer, you fill out the form, specify the amount in dollars, check and confirm the transfer. Compared to SEPA, in SWIFT you can use corporate accounts after necessary verification level. You have to pay $15 per transaction and you have to wait 1 to 4 days for the transfer. Important: in any unsuccessful scenario, your verification was rejected, you failed with reference code, the name doesn't match Binance account, your money will be returned in 7 days. For United Kingdom residents, you can withdraw GBP to your bank account through Faster Payments. The verification rules are similar to SEPA. You have to make a minimum of £3 deposit first to the bank details you will receive from Binance. Then you'll be able to withdraw your pounds to this account. In withdrawal form you enter an amount, choose an account, make sure the currency is GBP, check and confirm the transaction. Withdrawal of Australian dollars AUD is available via ASCA and Pay ID instant bank payments. Brazilians can withdraw Brazilian real BRL through PIX instant transfers. And South African residents withdraw South African rand ZAR through Stitch one-click payment integration. In some countries and with some currencies, you can withdraw money to third-party payment systems. You can check whether any services are available to you in the Other Payments tab on the withdrawal page. and the full list of currencies and services you can find on the Deposit and Withdrawal Fees page. If you need to quickly convert crypto to fiat or vice versa, the easiest way to do this is through Binance Convert page. Just like crypto to crypto, as I explained in the end of the crypto withdrawal section of this video. To get your money out through light mode in app, you need to get to the fiat withdrawal page. Find the withdraw button in wallet section and select the desired currency for withdrawal. You can also use a quick search. In Pro mode, this can be done through the More section, then click Withdraw Fiat icon, or through the Spot and Funding wallets by pressing the Withdraw button and choosing your currency in the Cash tab. All the same options are available on the Fiat withdrawal page as on the website. Withdrawal of euros and pounds directly to your Visa card. Withdrawal euro to bank account through SEPA if you are in EEA zone. You may see Other Payments tab if third-party services are available for withdrawal in your country. You can withdraw your dollars via SWIFT transfers if it's obtainable for you. Withdrawal of your local currency directly to your local bank account in some countries. Sometimes you will have Sell to Card feature, where you can convert crypto into your local currency without commission and withdraw it to your Visa card. In the More section, select Pay to send money directly to your friend's Binance account through the Binance Pay feature. In the same More section, you can manage your Binance card. If your country allows you to get it, you can withdraw up to 290 euros per day. Another way how to withdraw your crypto in fiat currency is P2P marketplace. It's a trading platform between members where Binance acts as a guarantor, which significantly reduces the risks to be scammed. And it's very fast, around 90% of all trades are completed within 5 minutes. Let's make a quick overview. On the main page we see a catalog of proposals. They are divided into crypto buying and selling pages. Here we choose which crypto we want to trade. Let's imagine we want to sell USDT for fiat. Here we can filter a specific amount we want to sell. Here we choose which fiat currency we want to receive. Let it be Canadian dollar because it cannot be withdrawn directly. Here we indicate exactly how we want to receive money. See all offers. Let's look at a specific proposal. We see the name of the seller. A check mark means this is a merchant. This is a seller with the high trading volume. Next, the number of transfers in the last 30 days. And the percentage of their completion. The closer to 100%, the better. Price for 1 USDT. Available amount of USDT in this lot proposal. Minimum and maximum amount for one order, so one lot can be bought by many people. And all payment methods accepted by the seller. Binance does not charge commissions to takers who buy or sell with the button, only from those who create proposal ads, like this one we are inspecting with you right now. Click Sell USDT. In this order details, we see some new information. Payment time limit. If the seller doesn't complete the order during this period of time, the order will be automatically cancelled. In the description section, you will find additional terms and conditions of this offer. Suppose we want to exchange 2000 USDT. For this we will receive 2720 CAD. The calculator also works in opposite direction. If for example we need 3000 CAD, it is this much USDT. Next we choose the payment method by which we want to withdraw our USDT. In this case, I have no such method, so you should click this button to add new payment method. Among the many different methods in the search, find the necessary one, enter the details for payment, and confirm the addition of the new payment method. After adding, click Sell and you're done. Lastly, here's a few steps to keep your trade safe. Never release your crypto until you receive the money. Binance support will never contact you via messengers or social networks. And never share your credentials with anyone.